This is Optimized Tube. Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in. In today's video, we're going to take our awesome t-shirt design we created using Midjourney and transform it into a market-ready masterpiece. If you haven't yet created your t-shirt design, I suggest you watch my video titled T-Shirt Designs That Actually Sell. So, now that you've crafted your design, you might be wondering, can I take this design as is and put it on a t-shirt to sell? Well, not quite yet. There are a few more important steps we need to cover, and that's exactly what this video is all about. So, let's dive right in.
I'm a cool cat.
Oh, but wait, before I forget, if you love cats, give this video a thumbs up. First things first, we need to upscale and enhance our image to ensure the best possible quality, and for that, we have an incredible tool called Upscale Media. This state-of-the-art AI-powered platform allows you to upscale and enhance images, and the best part? It's completely free. I actually discovered this fantastic tool thanks to Jam Design, who also has an awesome t-shirt video. Make sure to check out the link in the description below. Now, let's get started. You can either drop your image directly onto the screen or paste the image URL. And remember, no account is necessary. Once you've done that, choose whether you want to upscale the image by X2 or X4. For optimal results, let's go with X4. You'll instantly notice a comparison between the original and the upscaled image, with the new image displayed on the right side. You can also toggle on the Enhance feature to find the perfect balance between sharpness and softness. Once you're satisfied, simply hit the download button. Now that we have our upscaled image, we need to give it a transparent background. We'll be using another fantastic free tool called Photopea. Head over to photopea.com and select New Project. Set the DPI to 300, then set the width and the height to match our upscaled image, which is 4096 x 4096 pixels. Hit Create. Now drop in your image. Here comes the trickier part. Press Enter. On the left side, click on the Magic Wand tool, also known as the Quick Selection tool. Click on the part of the image you want to cut out. As you select, you'll notice that most of it gets automatically highlighted. But to refine the edges and make it look even better, click on Refine Edge at the top. Now, please keep in mind that this step can be quick and easy or a bit more time-consuming, depending on your image complexity. Just be patient, and you'll get fantastic results. You can zoom with the plus or buttons, and the hand tool allows you to move the screen around. Your goal here is to create a tri-map, which consists of 3 colors. White is for your object, which should be fully visible in the result. Black represents the background, which will be deleted, and gray signifies uncertain areas. I didn't think this through. Guys, this melted alien will take way too long. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to switch to a simpler image. There we go. That is much better. So like I was saying, use the black on areas you want to delete. Oh, and another thing, you adjust the size by clicking to the left of the white up top here. If you need further assistance, feel free to click on the tutorial for more detailed instructions. Let's speed this up with video magic. Done. Click OK in the top right. Now press Ctrl and J together. You should see another layer appear here on the right. Turn off the white background layer and Shazam! File, Export as, PNG. Give it a name and be sure quality is set to high. And that's it. You're done. Congratulations, my fellow creators. You've successfully transformed your amazing t-shirt design into a market-ready masterpiece. Now you can take this PNG file with its transparent background and use it for all sorts of exciting projects. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay inspired, keep creating, and until next time, take care.